Hey there, future Uber stars! Welcome to the ultimate guide to making bank as an Uber driver and earning better tips. I'm Jay, and I've been driving for Uber for the past 7 years. Today I'm going to share the secrets that have helped me maximize my earnings and make every trip a smooth ride for both me and my passengers. Let's get started! First up, let's talk about timing and location. Did you know that where and when you drive can make a massive difference in your earnings? Early mornings around airport zones, weekend nights in downtown areas, and major event locations are gold mines. Always keep an eye on the app for surge pricing. That's where the real money is. For example, if there's a concert or sports event, head over there right before it ends. You'll catch a wave of people all looking for a ride at the same time. Next, let's talk tips. A huge part of getting tips is making the ride enjoyable for your passengers. Be friendly, but also gauge the passenger's mood. Some people love to chat, while others prefer a quiet ride. Offer small touches like bottled water, phone chargers, or mints. Remember, a clean car is a happy car. Keep it spotless and make sure it smells fresh. One passenger told me they tipped me extra just because my car didn't smell like a fast food joint. Now let's talk about the little things. These small, thoughtful gestures can make a huge impact on your passenger's experience and lead to better tips. For instance, when dropping off a female passenger late at night, wait until she's safely inside before driving off. It shows you care about her safety. Another idea is to ask if they have a favorite playlist or radio station they'd like to listen to during the ride. It's a simple way to make them feel more comfortable and in control. I've even had passengers thank me for just taking an extra moment to ensure they were comfortable before we started driving. Time is money, my friends. Always use a reliable GPS and stay updated on traffic conditions. But don't just blindly follow the GPS, know your city. Sometimes taking a slightly longer route with less traffic is faster and leads to happier passengers. Also, minimize your downtime by planning your next pickup before dropping off your current passenger. For example, if you're dropping someone off in a busy area, don't drive off right away. Stay in that zone and wait for the next ride request. Uber offers various promotions and bonuses that can really boost your income. These could be anything from completing a certain number of rides within a time frame to driving during specific hours. Always keep an eye on the app to see what's available, and plan your schedule around these bonuses. For example, during a weekend promotion, I once made an extra $200 just by driving a few extra hours. Now for some bonus tips. Driving can be exhausting, so take care of yourself. Get plenty of rest, stay hydrated, and take breaks when you need them. Also, network with other drivers. You'd be surprised how much you can learn just by sharing experiences. And remember, the key to success in this business is consistency and adaptability. Keep improving and the earnings will follow. Thanks for riding along with me today. I hope these tips help you start making bank as an Uber driver. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Let's hit the road and make those tips roll in. Catch you in the next video.